Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share video on TikTok to your story. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. TikTok stories are video segments lasting up to 15 seconds. They stay visible for 24 hours after posting, like other platforms such story feature. Your story will be featured as an in-feed post with a story tag in the top left corner. And what if you want to share story on video on TikTok to your story, maybe someone's video on TikTok, and you want to share it to your story? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can choose the video that you want to share to your story. Maybe for the example, I will search for the story. I will choose this one, which is this video, and I want to share to my story. You can just tap on the share icon, and here you can see there is an option, share icon. You can scroll down. There is so much option in here, like report, not interested. You can slide your screen like this until you find add to story. You can just tap on that. So now the video will be added to your story. You can also add caption on the story, maybe like this. And you can also add filter. After that, you can just tap on add to story. You can check. So here's the video that you just shared to your story. It's still uploading. So it will turn out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to share video on TikTok to your story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!